What's good? It's your boy Takeout Inc. And today I got something special for y'all. We got the Hare 6s, but before we get into the Hare 6s and unboxing these, I just want to take y'all on a quick little journey real quick. I'm gonna show y'all how you can make some fast money, some quick money through reselling, and a little bit of the do's and don'ts. Want to be resellers or whatnot. I'm not a reseller, not even close. Everything I buy is for the collection. Anything I do sell is because manufacturer messed up on something, or the shoe didn't really execute like I wanted it to, as far as colorway or quality or something like that. But for the most part, everything I buy is for me to wear. But y'all stay tuned. But yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel if you haven't, man. Turn that bell on, and we're gonna get into this video. I'm about to take y'all to the mall, grab these pairs, and I'm up. Look at the drip, you know what I'm saying? Got the little Thrasher shirt on. You know, regular shit. Had to undress them sometime. But let's go pick these pairs up and stay tuned. Shoes of the day, y'all. Shoes of the day. I got shorts on, so got these ugly ass Nike socks on, but it is what it is, right? Fire. What's up, y'all? I'm at the mall. So, one of my pairs didn't go through for some reason. I still got 3 size 10s, and then my little sister's shoe, but I was supposed to have 4 actually. I had 3 raffles, but my damn Foot Locker pair, it didn't confirm. And when I just pulled it up, it was just like, you didn't confirm it in time, so they gave it to somebody else. So I missed out on that pair. I'm about to grab this pair from Foot Action, and I'm about to grab this pair from this other mall. But I'm about to grab this Foot Action pair, and then we're gonna get into the shoes, y'all. I'm back again. I just wanna go over something real quick with y'all. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to make some money. So I picked up my first pair of Hare 6s, and I said it before, but I'll say it again. I'm not a reseller. I'm not in the shoes to sell shoes, but the way the game is set up now, you have to try to get multiple pair. And that's in your size, whatever your size is, you have to try to get especially like if they're doing raffles, you have to attempt to get multiple pairs so you can secure your pair, if that makes sense. So this is the box. It's a dope box. It looked like they was just throwing that shit around though, but this is not my personal pair. I ordered my personal pair off Sneakers. So I entered like 4 raffles. I won 3 of them. We'll go into detail in a sec. But I won 3 pairs through raffle. I bought 2 online, 1 off Sneakers and then 1 off Foot Locker. But yeah, I bought 1 off Sneakers, 1 off Foot Locker, and I got them all for retail. But like I said, I'm not a reseller at all. But the way this game is set up right now, man, you gotta enter all these stupid raffles just to try to secure your pair. Secure your pair. Because if you don't, man, enter a whole bunch of different raffles, then you might not even get your pair, and then you have to pay a stupid, crazy resale, which is retarded, man. And nobody wants to do that, right? So, but in the event that you secure your pair and you have extra, let's say like 2 pairs extra, and you can afford it, buy those pairs, man, because you definitely can make some quick money. You can do a quick flip. You can do on release day, because flipping the shoe on release day, it depends. So if you know that shoe is going to hold its value and the value is going to go up, let's say a Jordan 1, for example, then hold on to that shoe, man, for as long as you can, or all of those different pairs for as long as you can, because in the long run, you know what I'm saying, look at any Jordan Retro OG High, you know what I'm saying, the numbers go up, man. Numbers don't lie. So like, if you can hold on to that pair, then I suggest you doing that. But just for like a regular pair that doesn't really have that much hype, but you know people still want that shoe and it sells out, I'd definitely say if you get your pair, man, flip them on release day, whether it's local meetups, you know what I'm saying. If you're young, you don't have a car, you can do like Gold and StockX, but it's a lot that goes into Gold and StockX. They take I forgot what the percentage is, so you got like your seller's fee, and then you gotta take account to after you try to take the money out after you sell the shoe, it's another fee on top of that to take the money out. It's like $5 or something like that. I'm not sure, I can't remember, but still though, like, it's your money. You went from selling the shoe that you bought for $200, you know what I'm saying, you listed it as $220, you know what I'm saying, you're only getting $200 back. And then when it's time to take your money out, they charge you like another $5 on top of that. So like, now you're losing money. So that's why when it comes to online reselling, man, it's usually like people charge a lot more than in person, if that makes sense, because they have to basically charge what they want and where they're gonna get deducted just to make their money. So like, if they only want, if the shoe was $190 and, you know what I'm saying, that's the tax and shipping and all that, they paid $200, at the end of the day they're gonna try to get that $200 back, or at least try to make some kind of profit. But like, if there's no market for that shoe, then, you know what I'm saying, they're just gonna have to take what they can get. Let's say the Unite 3s, man, it's a dope colorway, but don't nobody want that shoe, and the people that want it, they already got them, or they're holding out, waiting for the market to continue to drop. But it's not gonna drop any lower, I don't think. Right now it's at like 160. You know what I'm saying? But I definitely think it's gonna go up like later on, once all these extra pairs get flooded out, whether from people buying them to wear them or people just letting them go for the low. I definitely think all these extra pairs is gonna get flooded out, and then the value is gonna go up. But as I was saying, man, so Hare 6s dropped today for $190, and plus tax is like $201 or something like that. I can't remember. I think it's like $11. So this pair I'm wearing on this lady right now, for her husband, she's buying a size 10 for $270. Like I said, I just bought it for $201, so what, $69 profit, just like that. And if I were to sell them on GOAT, you know what I'm saying, people are only offering, people trying to, I'm saying, like, when it comes to online, like I was saying, like, if I was to try to sell them on GOAT, people only offering like $240, you know what I'm saying, because of course you got to pay for shipping, then you got to pay for the taxes and all that. People ain't really trying to pay, you know what I'm saying, more money. You gonna always try to pay less money, if that makes sense. So that's what the hell going on with all that. So, because at the end of the cart, your total, like, let's say if you pay $240 at the end, it's gonna be like another $25 on top of that. So you're really paying like $265. So if you get the shoe for $260, because that's what everybody posting them for right now. If you get them for $260, the seller is only making like $240, and then the buyer, he's paying almost $300, like $285, $290, depending on what the tax come up to. You know what I'm saying? So it all depends. But people ain't trying to pay that extra money, man. That's all that come down to. But you got some people who will, and they just buy it like that. But yeah. But all right, y'all, I just pulled up to the next store. It's at another mall. So I just pulled up to this other mall, about to grab this pair. And then the profit, it'll be even more if this store takes a military discount. So profit might be about $85 off this pair. But after I caught this pair, cause I just sold, like I said, I just sold the other pair. Then my pair on sneakers still gotta come from offline. So after I pick this pair up, then we can get into the shoes, do a little unboxing or whatnot. And that's it. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I'm here. About to go grab this second pair, and the second pair is at Finish Line. So I'm glad these malls back open, man, because when everything was online, bro, like I'm telling y'all, I was losing every fucking raffle. So now that shit is back open, I can get my pairs for retail, make a little bit of money out the extra pairs, and call it a day. Let's see. All right, y'all. Next time y'all see me, shoes gonna be in hand. All right, y'all. I'm at mall number 2. This is my first time really at this mall. You know what I'm saying? But I picked up the second pair. Where did I go? The Finish Line. And I'm about to head to the crib. I think we're gonna do an outside unboxing today. The weather's good, sun out. I don't see no reason why. But yeah, waiting on this other buyer. Somebody just offered $260. But I'm gonna see if somebody offered $270. If not, I'm gonna just pop that $260 out, call it a day. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, what's good? I'm in the car, like I told y'all. Grabbed the second pair from Finish Line. Let's get into it. We're gonna unbox these joints right here because I'm about to sell my second pair right now. So, all right, we got the Hare 6s. Y'all see that box and the 10? Because once again, I try to get for me. So, it's a white box with a carrot on it. Air Jordan on the side. I'm gonna insert some B-roll, so y'all don't gotta worry about that. About the details. Retail was $190 plus tax, $201. So you got like this, the little hair looking paper. It really look like some Black History Month type shit. But underneath that you got the regular white wrapping paper. Let me go ahead and pull them out. All right, so we'll review the left shoe. Let's go ahead. All right, so you got this heather gray, just like the 7s. It looks exactly like the 7s, but it's on the 6s model, so it has a different feel to it. I'm saying Hare 7s is definitely in my top 10, so this is a must-have for me. I sat on it for a second. I was like, I really don't know if I want them. But then I kept looking at them. I was like, man, I gotta get them. It wouldn't be right. But all right, let's get into it. So, gray, heather gray on the toe box. You got red with your black Jumpman. You got this green and yellow with red on the lace lock. And you got this new pattern. The left and the right shoe are never the same when it comes to the pattern. It's always different, as you can see. At the bottom, as you can see, at the bottom it's not an icy sole. 6s usually have an icy sole, but it's like a pinkish red. It's like a cherry color, right? Got a purple Jumpman, lime green at the bottom, or a white bottom, white midsole, purple Jumpman on the back. You got your black ankle tab. I'm just a little dusty right there. But yeah. It's a dope shoe, man. It's not a hype shoe at all. I definitely feel like everybody who's buying these shoes for the most part really just likes the colorway. But yeah, here's 6s, y'all. Let me know in the comments how y'all feel about them. Did you grab a pair? I got what, 4. I got 4 size 10s and a pair for my little sister. I told her I was gonna get her 2 pairs for school. So that'll be one of the pairs, and I don't know what else she wants. But yeah, here's 6s. We're gonna get some B-roll in and call it a day. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 2K. She's at home right now. She's doing hair, so I just told her I was going to the mall. We got a new banner coming soon. We got this photo shoot on Saturday, so y'all stay tuned for all these new pictures that we about to drop on Instagram. If y'all don't follow us on Instagram, the link is down below. Y'all have a good day. It's your boy Take Out Inc., and I'm out.